Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be playing some Pokemon Go. I mean, not Pokemon Go, Pokemon TCG online. I gotta get used to that. I usually play Pokemon Go. But we actually got some new booster packs, and we're going to put in some more. So look, I will show you guys proof that we actually got them. So if we go to collection, we can go to packs, and we got all of these packs, guys. And we're about to get some new ones, so let's go ahead and go enter the codes. So trainer challenge, redeem codes. Okay. So the first one, we're gonna get a Zygarde. 10% chance we might get a Zygarde EX, but it is. So AAW B4 TB 58 EHN4. So let's see. Battle Willer, claim now. Whoa, it's nice. All right, where's our Zygarde? Oh my God, I just got a Lucario.
You don't need that right now.
I got two Zygardes. I actually got two of them. Are they EXs? Oh my God, I got a hollow Zygarde. Let's see the other one. Okay, this one's just normal. But wow, we got two of them. Okay, so now the last one is going to be a booster pack. Wait, it's going to be a booster pack. So it's XY Fits Glide. So it
Can we
is
skip this part?
R for, I'm almost done. That's good. R for F 7 X 5
A
and
W
W
M
N
F
F 6
F
B. Right. So this is XY Fits Glide. There we go.
So that is not fake. That's a mega Alakazam.
Yeah, this right here is a Mega Alakazam, I think. Alright, so
It is.
you want to go ahead and open up some codes?
Yeah.
Let's do it, guys. So,
Okay.
let's go to our collection. Hold up, guys. Oh yeah, and before we open up these booster packs, if you guys could subscribe, that would be the freaking awesomest thing ever. So yeah, guys. So first we're gonna start off. I opened one of these
With
last
the
night.
Golden Ninja.
Yep,
booster
Golden
pack.
Ninja. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you my. Right before we open this, I forgot to show you my Steelix EX.
I didn't know you had Steelix.
Remember? I
Oh
told you.
yeah.
Alright, so let's go to my deck manager. So here it is right here. That's my EX deck. Look at it. Steelix EX. Right there. See? Awesome. 100 times? Oh, I didn't even see that. So this takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 energies to do 100 points. Okay. Alright. You wanna go ahead and open these up?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So XY booster pack. Alright. Let's hope we get something good. Please be an EX. Come on.
We freaking got a side up.
Wait, we got to side up. Oh my God. Okay. You ready, guys? Let's see what we got.
Hiya!
So there's our rare or legendary, whatever it is. Oh wait, it's legendary. So this is a pretty good card. Let's see if this is legendary. Oh yeah, it's so rare. Okay. So, ooh, Forfu. Brittle. I have a holographic Brittle. I'm not kidding.
I gave you the
in my real
holographic
deck.
one, right?
Petal. You have that. Temple. Cloister. Ooh, I can even say that name. Hit more. Triple Redot. And Meowstic. So, yeah, guys. Serenity, go. We're making a video. Go. 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 1 second.
Mommy.
I already cleaned my room. Alright, so
Now
sorry
we're
about that,
doing-
guys. Alright,
It was just his little sister.
we get we actually get 2 things in this. So we get 2 packs in this 1 pack. Let's do it.
Let's see what we get.
Let's see what we get. Alright, let's hope we get an EX.
Please get
Oh my god. If you can get a it can evolve one more time to turn the guard into a guard EX. Alright, ready?
Hiya.
So this is our rare. It's not too bad. I know that.
No, they bought. No of that.
Okay. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Hero City Braze Cannon. So yeah, guys. Let's open. All right, here's the Alakazam one.
Mega's out.
Alright, ready? Please give us an EX.
I got to give us here.
Please
Right?
give us an
I
EX.
got to give us in here. We freaking
Alright.
got a loud toy.
Please give us an EX.
Hiya.
Oh!
We just got it here.
Altaria EX.
Our wish came true.
Oh my gosh. We literally just got Altaria EX. Oh my gosh.
You want a Aerodactyl egg?
Oh yeah, I have this in real life. Alright, but I can't believe we just got an EX. Oh, that was freaking
Another
awesome.
EX. There's
I have so many EXs now. What? What's his name? Rayquaza?
we have a Rayquaza one. It got to give us an EX.
XY Roaring Skies. Let's go.
EX.
EX.
EX. EX.
Alright. Oh, okay. Please be an EX. Alright, last one. You ready? So that's our rare. Be an EX. Oh,
I think I just
named it. I think I just made some money here. Okay, so next one is Steam Siege. Alright, ready? Let's go. Come on, EX, please. Please, EX. It's the last pack. Please give us an EX. We need an EX. Come on. Yeah, Valto! Oh my god, that is awesome. Okay.
He has a darkness blade.
Alright, you
Just
ready?
100 damage.
Yeah, you ready? EX! Oh, Toxicook, okay. So,
He can push another one.
this is our legendary right here.
I didn't know oh, I thought you meant Fletching.
No, your Velto's legendary. So, yeah, that's basically it for all of this. We're not at the end of the video yet. We are going to try to get another one by battling people with some. This is basically our challenge. We have to.
Can we enter the code again?
No, we can't do the code again. But there's GX. Alright. So basically, in 2 more hours, we're going to get another great golden Greninja booster pack. So yeah, we'll be doing another video on that in 2 hours. So whoops. Okay. So we're going to. There's a challenge where we have to knock out 2 cards with a night type, whatever it's called,
And a
energy card or Pokemon. So we're just going to go into Versus or whatever it's called, and we're going to use the EX deck. We might have.
he has a water.
we don't, crap.
What?
We don't have any eye thingy, whatever they're called. Alright, let's hope we get the coin flip. Yes, okay. I'll go first. So, well. See, this is an EX that only have energies, no this. And I only have
Yeah,
EX.
no Pokemon.
Oh, I forgot to put my other EX in my deck. Crap.
You have no Pokemon right now. Look.
Alright, let's try another one. See if we get an EX. Nope. So, if we get an EX. Yup. Favorite EX too.
Place.
Okay. Glaceon EX.
That boy's gonna get.
Oh, this is actually perfect. Because we have all the things. We need this, this, and this. To do all of our attacks.
To do your magic.
Yeah.
Right?
Do my magic. Do my magic.
You're crazy.
Alright. So.
Boy, that freaking thing sucks.
Wait, Glaceon?
No, the other one.
Oh, Temple? Oh my god, he only does 10 damage. Wow, okay. So, dog. Okay.
I'm so embarrassed.
Alright, I'm done. Let's just do this.
He's the weakest Pokemon I have ever seen. He's so
Alright.
weak.
So, come on, man. Oh.
If you do that, he'll give you your.
Oh my god. He has a freaking Glaceon EX. Like me. Whack. Okay, please don't click. Please don't press the Glaceon EX. I don't want to come EX to EX.
That would be so wet.
Yes, he did not pick the EX. You freaking butt. Oh, good. Thank you. I still have these two. Oh, and we got Steelix EX. So
Is he better than that Glaceon?
wow, you only did 2 damage. You didn't even get ill. Okay. So first we're going to put Steelix up here. And oh, okay.
He's going down one hit, isn't he?
Just go ahead and go.
He only has 20 more health.
He has 30 more health left. And I'm about to knock him out because I'm attached. This energy, and you can do 70 damage with Crystal Ray.
His Pokemon freaking suck.
Yeah, I know. Alright. He has a green ninja break. And a Glaceon. Oh, whack. How much does the do? Okay, giant wave water shrunken. Oh my god. I hope he does not bring out any freaking
EX.
Glaceon or breaks. I hope he doesn't bring out any EXs or breaks. I'm about to knock him out. I'm paralyzed. I am freaking paralyzed. Oh my god.
Okay, use your Steelix. Use your Steelix.
Oh, he's still freaking paralyzed. Okay. I'm back up. Let's hope he doesn't paralyze me again. Please don't. Oh my god. Please go down. Quack. Quack.
But your Steelix.
No! Freaking paralyzed again! What is this?
Murder Town?
Oh crap, I should be putting energy on Steelix while I'm paralyzed. Shoot. So I'm looking at how it up.
I guess it's supposed to be murder Pokemon? Pokemon murder?
Come on, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
Please don't get me paralyzed.
Your Steelix is better than your Glaceon.
Alright. Freaking point.
He just cheated.
That's not cheating.
And Pokemon.
Come on. I want to freaking. Please don't make me paralyzed. Yes! I can freaking knock him out. Oh, freaking finally.
Done.
Alright.
First one.
First one?
Yeah.
Please be a yes.
What? I feel like every first one is edge. I think I'm going to see them. Does he suck?
Let's see his damage. Let's see his health. 90 health. Okay, he actually doesn't suck. He probably wipe me out.
Oh, do your Steelix.
Oh, you can't right now.
Oh yeah, you don't have your
I can't do it. I can't even. It's bad to bring him out. I can't use
He
him
has
until.
the evolve form from him. He has 2 of those now. He freaking has 2 of those. Alright.
Come on. Let's freaking go, guest player.
Mute player.
Oh, wait. I'm just gonna say hello. Hello. Wow, he's not gonna say anything. Up. Who knows? Powered up. It's gonna do freezing. It's gonna be like maxing out. Crap. Might lose this one.
Is it almost time for the video?
Alright, so we're gonna end the video after this battle. I might lose, but we're gonna end the video after this battle, and then we're gonna do some battles to get that so what? How are you not dead? Oh, dear friend. So after this match, we're just gonna end the video and keep on battling until we can unlock that booster pack.
Yes.
So yeah, guys. He's powering up, please. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go, guest player. My turn. Okay. Yes! Wait, what?
Crystal! He's dead?
Alright. Yeah, I killed him. Alright, let's do. Alright. Please be a metal type energy. We'll go for this one. Oh my god! I'm going against Articuno. Oh my god! He's gonna do 130 damage here. Ah! God! What? What damage increased? Oh.
If you
How
die,
much health does he have? 180. Clap, dude. Clap!
quacked. Then quack.
Clap, 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 clap. Damage from this freaking Pokemon he created. Steelix.
Voltage. Is he going down with your Pokemon? Because that.
Another Glaceon! Thank you.
What?
Dude, thank you.
Okay, do your Iron Tail. Your Iron Tail wins, right? Your Iron Tail right?
Yeah, but I need.
Do your electric one.
Timer ball.
What's a timer ball? Is
Oh,
this
no!
Wait.
Seismitoad.
Does he suck? What's this
That's
for?
honestly not even fair.
What's this for?
Yeah, okay, I can use one attack. I need 4! No. I'm dead. It just killed me. Shoot! He just killed me. I know it. He just killed my Steelix EX.
Your EXs suck.
Oh my.
What's the best attack on Dragon Knight? Did you know Dragon Knight?
That was good. Don't give me a freaking knife. Okay. Yep, I'm done for. Done for.
Guys, if he loses, he sucks at Pokemon.
I'm freaking done. Alright, you know what? That's the end of the video, guys. You already know that I'm gonna lose. Yeah, that's the end of the video.
We'll see you later.
Yeah! Yes.
We'll see you later.
Alright, wait.
Okay, we'll see you later. Peace out.
Bye, guys.